What if a classic 1969 Mustang had the heart of a modern supercar? This $300,000 Supercharged Restomod is about to blow your mind. Today, we're looking at a machine that perfectly blends classic American muscle with cutting-edge engineering, the 1969 Ford Mustang Fastback Restomod. This isn't just another restored Mustang. It's a handcrafted masterpiece worth an incredible $300,000, built to dominate both the street and the show field. Every bolt, every panel, and every performance upgrade has been carefully selected to create one of the most breathtaking classic Mustangs ever built. From the very first glance, this Mustang commands attention with its deep blue exterior paint, giving the iconic fastback body an aggressive yet elegant appearance. The legendary fastback roofline remains one of the most recognizable silhouettes in automotive history, while the custom side panel vinyl striping adds a bold racing-inspired touch that reminds everyone this machine was built for speed. At the front, the aggressive Boss 9 hood scoop immediately hints that something extraordinary lies beneath. Open the hood and the masterpiece reveals itself. Sitting inside the beautifully detailed engine bay is a Supercharged 5.0-liter Ford Aluminator V8, a modern performance engine engineered to withstand massive horsepower. Feeding this beast is the legendary Kenne Bell Mammoth Supercharger, delivering relentless power with every press of the throttle, unlike the carbureted muscle cars of the past. This Mustang benefits from electronic fuel injection, providing instant throttle response, improved reliability, and smooth performance whether cruising through town or attacking the highway. Every startup brings the unmistakable rumble of a true American V8, while the scream of the supercharger announces that this is no ordinary classic Mustang. Sending all that incredible power to the rear wheels is the highly respected Tremec T56 Magnum 6-speed manual transmission. This gearbox is known worldwide for its strength, precision, and ability to handle serious horsepower. Every gear change connects the driver directly with the car, creating an experience that modern automatic performance cars simply cannot duplicate. Power means nothing without control, and that's exactly where this Restomod truly shines. Up front, the original suspension has been replaced with a modern independent front suspension, dramatically improving handling, steering response, and ride quality. In the rear, a professionally engineered 4-link suspension system keeps the Mustang stable during hard acceleration while maximizing traction. Supporting the suspension are tubular upper and lower control arms, providing improved strength and geometry compared to factory components. Steering is handled by a modern power rack-and-pinion system, giving the driver quick, precise control that feels worlds ahead of the original 1969 setup. The drivetrain continues with the legendary Ford 9-inch Posi rear end, paired with an aggressive 4.11:1 gear ratio. This combination delivers explosive launches while ensuring maximum traction under hard acceleration. Every stoplight becomes an opportunity to unleash the full potential of this incredible machine. The stance is equally impressive thanks to its custom 2-piece aluminum RVR wheels. Measuring 19 inches in the front and 20 inches in the rear, they perfectly fill the wheel arches while giving the Mustang an aggressive modern appearance. Wrapped around them are Falken Azenis performance tires, size 2 45/40 ZR19 up front and 255/35 ZR20 in the rear, providing exceptional grip for both spirited driving and high-speed stability. When it's time to slow everything down, this Mustang relies on an advanced 4-wheel power disc brake system. Massive Wilwood 6-piston front calipers clamp down with incredible force, while Wilwood 4-piston rear calipers provide balanced stopping power. The result is confident braking performance worthy of a modern supercar. Looking closer under the hood, you'll notice the beautifully shaved firewall, creating an exceptionally clean engine bay that showcases the massive Supercharged V8 like a work of automotive art. Premium aluminum hood hinges add another touch of craftsmanship, proving that every detail received careful attention during the build. Underneath, The quality continues with a dual exhaust system producing an unforgettable soundtrack. A stainless steel fuel tank ensures long-term durability, while the custom crossmember adds structural strength to support the upgraded drivetrain. Even the bedliner-coated floorboards demonstrate that this build was designed to last for years of enthusiastic driving. Open the door and the interior immediately reveals the perfect balance between classic styling and modern luxury. A late-model custom dashboard seamlessly integrates contemporary design while maintaining the Mustang's timeless character. The center console enhances both comfort and functionality, while the custom gauges provide accurate performance information in a clean, premium layout. Fresh door panels, an updated headliner, and beautifully finished upholstery create an interior that feels factory-built rather than modified. Front and rear seatbelts add modern safety, while air conditioning ensures this Mustang remains comfortable even on the hottest summer cruises. What truly makes this Restomod special is the harmony between every component. It isn't simply a classic Mustang with a powerful engine. It's a carefully engineered performance machine where every upgrade complements the next. The suspension supports the horsepower. The brakes match the speed, the steering delivers confidence, and the luxurious interior makes every mile enjoyable. Whether it's parked under bright show lights, cruising through the city, or blasting down an open highway, this 1969 Ford Mustang Fastback Restomod demands attention from everyone who sees it. It captures the soul of one of America's greatest muscle cars while embracing the technology and performance expected from today's elite performance machines. At $300,000, this isn't just a restored Mustang, it's a rolling work of art, a handcrafted masterpiece, and a dream machine that represents the very best of modern Restomod engineering. It honors the legendary legacy of the 1969 Fastback while proving that true icons never stop evolving. If you could own this incredible 1969 Ford Mustang Fastback Restomod, would you keep it as a showpiece or unleash every bit of its supercharged power on the open road? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more of the world's most extraordinary classic and custom performance cars.